let's look at the horrible ice storm we got. Okay, they kind of over-predicted it, guys. But it is still snowing, so who knows. But it's supposed to snow the whole rest of the day. This is our road that has not been traveled on whatsoever. Maybe, oh wait, just kidding. There's a little bit over there. It's just been covered up. But no. So they just kidding. They over predicted this storm, and it'll be okay. That's how it goes around here. And this is Terry. Everybody meet Terry. Terry is covered in snow. All right, well, y'all be careful. Maybe we'll get a little bit more snow. It's supposed to snow all day long.